Nostalgia. That sentimental longing or wistful affection for the past. We all feel it, and it's always associated with positive memories from our youth. So join us for a trip down Lowville's distant past for the Brick Blocks Business Walking Tour on August 15th at 7 p.m., starting at the Lewis County Historical Society. In the event of rain, the tour will take place on August 16th. The Brick Blocks Business Tour will cover historical information about several of Lawville's main blocks and businesses. The tour starts on State Street. How many recall the life-size white horse in Taylor's leather goods window display? Or who bought a ring for their special sweetheart at Cummings Jewelers? Or how many walk the aisles of Springfield's variety store right before Christmas, dreaming of some special gift? Who picked up prescriptions at Allen's drugstore? These are all highlights that will be featured. The tour moves to a local favorite in the Meta Block, the Green Gate Candy Store, operated by Charles and Minnie Ryan. Speaking of delicious treats, how many remember getting a delicious steak dinner at Ver's Restaurant? The tour will also highlight Lowville's famous photographer, William Mandeville, and the Times block that was decimated by fire. We will continue exploring other businesses on the Four Corners as we move to the Black River National Bank. Fun fact, the bank used to print banknotes and brownbacks right here in Lowville, starting in 1875. The oldest part of the tour is the Doig Block. This featured the Corner Pharmacy. The tour will then end with the architecturally magnificent Bateman Building in the Kellogg Block. This was just a sneak peek, so make sure you take a night, learn something new about Lowville's past. Join us on August 15th at 7 p.m. You won't be disappointed. This walking tour is sponsored by funding from the Pratt Northern Foundation and the George R. Davis Fund of the Northern New York Community Foundation.